Tell them what we about to make today.
So,
Oh, now you're gonna be quiet.
Tell them, say we're making pizza. Say it, Ruby.
You got shy.
He got shy once the recorder came on. Alright, today we're making pizza.
Yeah.
Yay, we have some pizza crust, thin crust, great value version. Yeah. We have some mozzarella cheese. We have,
pizza?
yeah, we're making pizza. We have pizza sauce. Say pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
Yeah, and we have some real crumbled bacon. Never had this before, but it's real bacon. It's a piece of topping. Yeah. Candy. What candy? And then I accidentally got hot and spicy pepperoni. You gonna eat that? It might not be hot and spicy. It might just say it. I don't think it's really hot. I don't know. We'll see. So, what's that? The bacon?
Bacon.
These only two, you guys. If y'all hear me,
I touch it.
you gonna touch it? That's the pizza crust. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on this guy right here. Yeah, we'll put it up there. Put it on there. Put it right there.
Both your hands, big boy.
Put it up there.
Oh, God.
So we'll make this one first. Daddy, we need a spoon. Let me put some sauce on there. Okay. I'm going to put the sauce on there for you. Let me put the sauce on there.
Let mommy do it.
Okay, now put it on the pizza. Let's here. Rub it around the pizza. Rub it around. Okay, we need a little more sauce, sir. We like our pizza saucy. Okay. You see I'm putting the sauce on there. Okay, let's turn it. So we put some sauce on this side. Oh, okay. Just make sure. Oh gosh, you see the drool just came out.
Oh my God, we got sauce on the bread.
Okay. You need some more sauce?
I need more sauce. Let me see.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
It's not coming
It's
out.
not coming out.
Big boy, you're squeezing too tight.
Oh, we're gonna be here all day with that, so. You grab some more cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to cook it again.
That's the best way. Shake it. Shake it.
Good job. Yes. Okay, do you want bacon or do you want this just a regular cheese pizza?
Okay.
You want bacon?
I have bacon.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
this.
Are you, because Isaiah normally just eat cheese pizza. So, okay. Hold on, let me open it up some for you. So you and Daddy do this one because, go. Okay.
You might as well let it go. Right?
No, baby.
You just might as well let it go.
Let
him do it.
Okay.
Let him do it. Go ahead, big boy. There we go.
So we have extra cheese and extra bacon on this pizza. Just spread it around. Just get some off the edge, maybe.
Isaiah, relax.
So this one's gonna be the bacon pizza.
Isaiah, just relax, big boy.
His leg is stuck. There you go. You see, so you tell everyone the pizza you made with bacon. What's all on your pizza?
More.
I don't think we should put a lot of this on there. We're gonna put it on one side because it might be too spicy. Okay?
Too spicy.
Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Cheese.
You said cheese.
Yay!
So right now, our pizza looks good though. It does look good. See the
Yes.
cheese, bacon. Ooh, okay. We're just gonna put this on one side, okay?
Huh?
Good job, big boy.
ABCs while we wait.
A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
That's enough, Mommy.
A, B, C. Yes, that was enough pepperoni.
No.
Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay. So now we're making the cheese pizza. Okay, you're gonna put that on there?
Yeah.
Oh.
And the sauce.
What? You know the sauce goes first. The spoon, wait.
Thank you.
Put this a little closer. Okay. Oh. Great job, big boy. You got it. Yeah. Need more sauce? Try to turn it on top of the pizza. Okay. Right there. Turn it right there. No, turn it over.
You should just pour it on the pizza.
And let us spread it.
Yeah.
Oh, spread it around, baby. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Okay, you just threw sauce on me.
You got it on you.
Oh, okay. You have to just be gentle, baby. Okay. This is enough
I
sauce.
need more sauce.
I think you would pay extra for more sauce, say. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sauce is getting everything.
Mama, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
You okay with your finger?
Yeah, that's just sauce. It's just sauce. You ready to put the cheese on the pizza?
Yeah.
I'm ready first.
Let me see it, big boy.
Daddy.
You don't need the spoon for the cheese. Here goes the cheese, you guys. Let's see how this goes. Oh, here we go. Pizza.
You okay, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm okay, big boy.
Do you like your pizza? Show everyone your pizza. What colors do you see on your pizza?
Red.
What else?
Red.
What else?
Orange.
Orange? Okay, and what else? What color is that cheese?
White.
Great job.
Red color.
The pepperonis, we can't put this on your pizza. We can't. I'm telling you, you don't want this on your pizza. We'll just put one, okay? Get this stuck. Okay. Great job. We'll begin 5. All right. So tell everyone that you're all done making your pizza. Say thanks for watching. You said thanks for watching?
Thank you. Oh, for my finger.
That's what happens when you cook. But we'll come back and show you how both pizzas came out.
Oh.
You having fun, big boy?
Want to count?
You gonna say bye to
No,
them?
we already put cheese over. This is how this pizza came out. It looks delicious. It look good, man?
Yeah, it looks good.
Zay, you showed them your pizza? Pizza made by Zay? Yeah. What you got to say now?
Say a cookie.
Cookies? We gotta eat the pizza first.
Cookie, yeah.
So, this is our first pizza. We're gonna have Daddy try a slice. Since I guess he's the most honest one when it comes to the food. So, you gonna have Daddy try pizza? You gonna try it with pepperoni?
Yeah.
Not with the pepperoni. Come on, babe. Come on, try the pizza. So, I'm gonna have him try the pizza.
So, I gotta try it. It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
It's hot. That is hot.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
All right.
It's alright. You don't have enough seasoning, flavor.
So, I gotta try it.
The crust.
It's like dull, kind of.
That's what I figured it probably was a crust, but the topping seems straight.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna try it, say, with bacon? See, I told y'all, he don't like toppings.
No,
Yeah.
it's hot.
It's not hot.
It's hot.
So we'll wait till Isaiah's cheese pizza come out and have him try the cheese pizza. We got it. So you wanna try it?
No.
You don't wanna try it? I tried the pizza with the pepperoni, and pepperoni was not even spicy. I knew it wasn't gonna be spicy, but it says hot and spicy. May have like a tiny after kick, but
So, guys, here a pizza.
it was this right here.
So, guys, here a pizza.
The bacon's really good.
Yeah, the bacon is good. We already threw away the package, but I think I showed you guys the bacon. All right, so this is the cheese pizza. This is how it came out.
So,
You ready to try your cheese pizza?
yeah.
Oh, this is hot.
Turn. Oh, turn. Oh, turn.
Oh, don't touch it, baby.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Yeah, I told you can't touch that, baby.
Oh, sorry.
No, listen, next time, big boy.
We had to put this one back in the oven. See, it looks a little better. We had to put it on the boil, get it a little more melted with the cheese. Okay, what's going on? It's falling off. Right.
Oh, yeah, it's just hot. I don't want to touch it.
I'll hold it. It looks yummy, baby.
It's yummy.
We have to let this cool off before you try it. Yeah, we'll let it cool off. So tell everybody, thanks for watching.
You gonna say it?
Say bye.
Bye. I'm gonna turn it back in.
Okay, you want to press the
Bye.
button? Okay, hold on.
Bye.